So good evening to all. Hope you are doing great. So today in this video, we'll be discussing about WazirX app. So we know that in the previous videos, we have discussed about what is cryptocurrency and we have discussed about Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and we have taken various examples to understand the essence of this particular digital currency. So many people had queries regarding how to trade actually in cryptocurrency so that we can earn some decent profit by trading, and also we can earn a very good return in long term by investing in small portions. So whatever I'm discussing is for educational purpose only, so I'm not forcing you to invest. I am telling that even small amount that we invest in our stock market, especially 1000 rupees, 2000 rupees, so same thing I'm telling here also. Try to put small quantities so that in long term you will get some very good return. So that is my motto. So you need to invest in stock market also. I'm not telling that you should not do. So wherever you invest, that is especially in penny stocks in our market, so try to invest the same strategy in this market also, so that you will earn some very good returns for long term. So that is why I told these things. So now let us discuss how to open an account in WazirX. So all these details we'll try to understand. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so how to open the account in WazirX? So you can see that I have provided a link in the description, and also in the Telegram I have posted a link via means you need to open the account, because if you open through that link, I'll get all the list of people who are investing, so that any support that I can generate from my end regarding whatever you're buying, so what is the risk, so everything I'll try to suggest. So make sure that you're opening from that particular link only. So I'll provide the link in the description. So first thing you can see, when you click on sign in, you can see first you need to put your email address. So after that you need to generate a password. Either it may be anything your wish. Even you can keep any number, whatever, basic password things, right? After that you need to confirm your password and you need to click on agree to the terms and service. Okay, so once you click the sign up button, so you'll receive a particular verification regarding your mail. So you need to enter whatever they are sending. So after that, you need to secure your account. So security is also very important. So all these things are highly secured. So WazirX also is a very good platform. So you can see you can neither use Authenticator app, mobile SMS, or none of these. So I have personally used the Authenticator app, so that you can find in the Play Store. So when you open the Authenticator app, so you'll receive a certain code. So that particular code you need to enter. Simple, nothing complicated. So security is very important. So that purpose only they have put all these things. So once you complete these things, so second comes the KYC verification. So basically KYC verification is done so that you can add some very good high amounts, and also to even to withdraw any profit or the funds that you have invested. So KYC is very essential. So you can select your country. So after that, once you complete all the process regarding KYC, whether you upload Aadhaar card, PAN card, so when you complete all these things, it is very simple. That time your account will be opened very quickly. You can add your funds once the KYC is approved. So after you complete all these things, so the platform of WazirX looks something like this. Okay, so you will see various coins like Dogecoin, you will see VeChain coins. So all these are different types of cryptocurrencies. So you can see even Bitcoin also. So now we know that the little market is currently down, especially crypto market. So if you're investing at the right now, so definitely you will be getting some very good benefit in short term as well as long term. So already I told you, don't have any excess greed. So always try to invest in small quantities only. Okay, so once you complete all these steps, so now comes how to add the funds. So you can see that already I've added 19k funds I've already added, and also I trade basically not on regular basis. So weekends definitely I'll try to trade in some coins. So we know that currently little crypto market is also down. So I take the opportunity and invest only in small amount, not the heavy risk, because I also told you don't try to put in heavy amounts. Take risk in small portions only. So you can see here I've added the funds. So here you know that already I've added funds, but otherwise you will find one deposit option, and also you'll see withdraw option. So once you click on deposit option, so you'll find three options. So one is IMPS, another one is either you can add by MobiWik, so that option also will be present. So once you click on IMPS or NEFT, so by that means so some bank details will be given. So you need to go to your particular net banking, and from that you can directly click on beneficiary and you need to enter the bank details. So once you complete those steps, so how much ever amount you want to add, you can add, and they will get instantly being deposited into your WizRix account. Simple. So nothing much complicated. So once the funds are added, so definitely I'll tell you how to buy any cryptocurrency. So now let's discuss that. Okay, so once you open the interface, already I told that we have four options below. So one is info, one is markets, one is orders, and one is funds. So in funds, you can check how much money you're having, how much whatever coins you bought, also your portfolio value, everything you will be you can basically watch near the funds section. So let us check once and click on Bitcoin. So once we click on Bitcoin, so something like this interface opens. So you'll have a chart. So we can see the Bitcoin has given continuous rally. So that is all well known to us, and you can see today it is down almost 5.25%. And you can see here one crown shape symbol, and you can see buy and sell. Okay, so you can see that particular icon. So directly go and click on that particular thing, and when you click, you will see two options. Basically a window opens, whatever you see in our brokerages also, that is buy and sell. So let's say if you want to buy for 3000, so just you need to type 3000 in that total INR. So once you type 3000, so the how much amount of Bitcoin you're trying to buy, so that amount appears. That is, you're buying almost 0.006 Bitcoin. It is not necessary that you need to buy complete Bitcoin for 46 lakh. No, it is not like stock market that you need to buy complete one share. So in this you can buy half, 3/4, 1/4, even 0.000 also you can buy in cryptocurrency. So that is the speciality. In stock market we cannot buy half share, 1/4 share. Either you need to buy one share or need to leave it, only that is left. But in cryptocurrency you can buy each and everything, that is even in small portions also you can accumulate. That is for 3000 worth you can also buy Bitcoin and hold it. So that's why I told that is the speciality. Even small amounts will give you great returns in long term. Okay, so that is why I'm telling small amounts, because risk is present. So we know whatever may happen, but ban, that is not possible basically. So because all the countries, few countries, USA, they're advancing in that particular field, because Elon Musk is also trying to focus on cryptocurrency. So after that only a particular boom has been generated. So maximum try to restrict in small portions, so that time it would be very beneficial. So whoever are learning for educational purpose, learn it for education only. Don't try to rigorously trade and put heavy quantities. Okay, so this is what I can say. So you can buy in this way in small portions. Okay, so once you click on buy, you need to swipe after you complete the amount whatever you added. So once you swipe, you'll get orders. You need to go to open, or whenever any order is open, so it will be open. So once your price reaches, that time automatically the order gets executed. So I forgot to tell one thing, that you can also use the limit option. Okay, so limit option you can use, and you can set the price. You can see two symbols here. So one is plus and another one is minus. So you can increase the price, you can decrease the price. Wherever you want to buy, you can adjust it. So that is one special benefit. Even in our stock market also we set limit price, market price. So same thing here also. So wherever you want to execute your order, you need to place the price at that particular level. Okay, so now coming to the coins that we want to add at the current market price. So we know that today we have seen a very good fall in cryptocurrency field. So what are the best coins for beginners which may give some very good returns? So that we'll try to find out. Okay, so let us discuss the various coins that we can buy right now. So I'll suggest only 3 coins so that have currently shown the correction. So I'll repeat them. So the first coin that you can buy, you can see here, the first one is going to be XRP. Okay, so XRP is going to be the one coin. So about all these details, so what actually this coin means, so we'll discuss in next video. So because length is getting increased, so in next video I'll discuss about all the stocks, what basically what all the coins, what is the business and all project. So all these things we'll discuss in next videos. So for now, coins wise, I can tell you XRP would be one coin. After that, another coin could be REN. Okay, so REN could be another coin that you can watch out. So again, next coin would be Ethereum. Also is very good, but it is very costly. But if you are having very decent fund, then only you need to add that, for especially for long term, I'm telling that. Okay, so let me repeat the coins which I discussed right now. So first coin that you can watch out would be Ripple. So that is called XRP. So which is currently trading here 109, and it is down almost 17.05. And second coin that you can watch out would be Swipe. So that is around 322 rupees, and you can see that is also down by almost 17.26%. So why I'm discussing, because already they have corrected little bit. So that's why whoever want to do for any positional, or they want to hold for long term, for them it would be beneficial. So after that, this is a very small stock, and it is almost around 0.65 rupees only, so which is very worth to risk. So that is BitTorrent. You can see that is around 0.654. And after that we have Run. So that is around 77.79, and that is also down by almost 15 to 16%. So these are stocks that may also give, so sorry, I'm telling stocks, these are coins basically. So you can see they are also down almost 12%. So they are nothing but Engine. One is ZIL, another one is Stellar. Okay, so watch these 6 to 8 coins basically for short term, or either you can hold them for long term as well. So how to add funds, how to create, so each and everything, I think it's clear. So how to open account also have discussed. So open through that particular link only that I have discussed. So further, if you're having any doubt, you can message me in the comment section and also in the Instagram. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.